Hello everyone. Let's take a look at the updates coming to MeasureSquare 8 this coming August. We finally added the ability to mark up the diagram and floor plan. Highlight important notes with various colors and shapes so everyone is on the same page. Use arrows to clearly communicate what is needed to know. You can also cross out items using the line tools, such as crossing out something that is outside the scope of work. As you can see, there are various options and shapes that you'll be able to choose from to call out what is needed. If you need to make any edits, such as a color to a highlighter, simply double click on the shape and the property panel on the right side will give the options you have available to make your changes. We have also updated the Notes tool function. Now you can simply select the tool by left clicking, then left click in the area you want to type, and simply start typing. Once you are done, hit enter, and the text will be set in place. If you need to make any edits, use the property panel on the right side as well to make those changes. As always, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, leave a comment if you prefer, and have a great day.